Think you are just walking for exercise? The truth is, data reveals hidden secrets about your body that could save your life every single day. A small 5% change in your resting heart rate shown on your wrist could be an early warning sign of serious health issues ahead. Today, technology is not just about counting steps. It is a sophisticated method for us to proactively manage our health and longevity through precise data analysis. This biometric feedback acts as a real-time window into your cardiovascular system, allowing you to adjust your pace for maximum efficiency and long-term safety. Imagine having a miniature laboratory strapped to your wrist, constantly analyzing your performance, stress levels, and even your blood oxygen levels while you move. By tracking these vital signs, you transform a simple stroll into a data-driven health strategy that protects your heart and strengthens your physical resilience. Monitoring your metrics ensures that every step you take is a purposeful movement toward a healthier version of yourself, guided by scientific precision and clarity. Technology bridges the gap between effort and results, making sure your hard work translates into real, measurable improvements in your overall metabolic health and fitness. Many people walk with poor posture, glued to their phones, oblivious to the fact that they are wasting their energy and potentially causing long-term damage. We call this blind walking. Without data, you are essentially moving in the dark, hoping for results, but never truly knowing if you are improving. Remember, junk data leads to junk results. If the numbers you track are inaccurate or misinterpreted, your fitness journey will likely hit a dead end. Is 10,000 steps really the gold standard? Often, it is just a marketing number. Intensity and heart rate zones matter much more than quantity. Walking 5,000 purposeful steps at an optimal heart rate can be far more beneficial than wandering aimlessly for 10,000 steps without any focus. Scientific research proves that intensity is the key. Walking at a pace that challenges your system is what actually triggers positive physiological adaptations in your body. If you are not tracking your cadence or your heart rate zones, you might be undertraining or overexerting yourself without realizing it at all. Don't let your efforts go to waste. Use technology to correct your form and ensure that every calorie burned is helping you reach your goals. Walking without a plan is a recipe for stagnation. Precision is the difference between a casual hobby and a life-changing transformation for your physical health. It is time to stop guessing and start knowing. Let us dive into the specific metrics that will redefine how you view your daily walks. VO2 Max is the ultimate indicator of cardiovascular health. It represents the maximum amount of oxygen your body can utilize during intense physical exercise. Higher oxygen absorption means a more efficient heart and better endurance. Modern wearable devices can now estimate this vital metric with incredible accuracy and ease. Improving your VO2 Max is like upgrading your body engine. It allows you to walk faster and longer while feeling significantly less fatigue and exhaustion. Cadence, or steps per minute, is another golden index. Keeping a steady rhythm helps you maintain momentum and prevents unnecessary impact on your joints. Are you walking evenly? Gait symmetry tracking ensures that both legs are working equally, reducing the risk of injury and correcting imbalances in your stride. The aerobic zone is where the magic happens. Walking in this specific heart rate range maximizes fat burning and improves your overall metabolic efficiency. Recovery is just as important as the walk itself. Technology tracks your heart rate variability to tell you when your body is ready to push again. Understanding these three pillars, cadence, aerobic zones, and recovery, allows you to build a walking routine that is both sustainable and highly effective for health. Seeing these numbers in real time gives you the confidence to push through challenges, knowing exactly how your body is responding to the physical stress. By mastering these indices, you are no longer just walking. You are conducting a symphony of physiological improvements that lead to a longer, more vibrant life. Knowledge is power. When you understand your body limits and potential, you can train smarter, not harder, achieving superior results with every single step. The market is full of health tech, but not all devices are created equal. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific goals and lifestyle. Smartwatches are excellent for GPS tracking and real-time pace monitoring, making them the perfect companion for outdoor walking enthusiasts who want detailed statistics. Smart rings offer a more discreet way to track sleep quality and recovery metrics like HRV, giving you a holistic view of your health overnight. For the most accurate heart rate data, chest straps remain the gold standard, providing medical-grade precision during high-intensity intervals or power walking sessions. The real power lies in the software. Apps that aggregate your data provide a clear picture of your progress, highlighting trends and areas for improvement. Imagine your watch vibrating to warn you if your heart rate exceeds a safe threshold. This feature acts as a coach, keeping you within safety zones. Some devices analyze your sleep to recommend the intensity of your walk for the next day. This ensures you never overtrain when you need rest. Integration is key. When your devices talk to each other, they create a comprehensive health ecosystem that supports your journey from the moment you wake up. These tiny pieces of technology are turning the dream of personalized medicine into a reality, putting the power of health back into your own hands. Select the tools that resonate with your habits. Whether it is a watch or a ring, the right equipment is your first step toward peak performance. Technology is the ultimate bridge between intention and action, helping you stay consistent and motivated by showing you exactly how much progress you have made. Let us put theory into practice with a simple, real-world test you can do right now. This is called the talk test for walking intensity. As you walk briskly, try to speak a full sentence. If you can talk comfortably, you are likely in the moderate intensity zone for exercise. If you find yourself gasping for air or unable to finish a sentence, you have reached your peak capacity and should consider slowing down slightly. Now, let us check your pulse. Find your heartbeat on your neck or wrist. We are going to count the beats for exactly 15 seconds. Keep counting. This simple manual check helps you verify the accuracy of your wearable device and keeps you in tune with your body physical sensations. Stop. Multiply that number by 4 to get your beats per minute. This is your current heart rate, a vital indicator of your exertion level. Next, use your smartphone camera to check your posture. Place it on a bench and walk past it to see if your shoulders are level. Are your shoulders hunched? Correcting these small alignment issues can prevent back pain and improve your overall walking efficiency significantly over time. Listen to the sound of your steps. A loud stomp indicates too much impact. Aim for a soft, rolling motion from heel to toe for safety. Combining your personal feelings with hard data creates the perfect feedback loop. You become the master of your own movement, adjusting with total confidence. Now that you have tested your limits and form, you are ready to follow a structured path toward total walking optimization and health success. Here is your 8-step roadmap to transform your data into life-changing results. Follow these steps to ensure you get the most out of every walk. Step 1. Calibrate your devices. Ensure your height, weight, and age are updated, so your calorie burn and heart rate zones are calculated accurately. Step 2. Identify your target heart rate zones. Knowing your sweet spot for fat loss and cardiovascular health is essential for seeing real weekly progress. Step 3. Aim for a cadence of at least 100 steps per minute. This brisk pace is the threshold for true aerobic exercise benefits. Step 4. Always monitor your recovery. Check your morning heart rate to see if your body has fully recovered before you head out again. Step 5. Log your progress. Seeing your VO2 Max or average pace improve over weeks is the best motivation to keep moving forward every day. Finally, optimize your nutrition, hydration, and sleep to support your walking habit. These factors work together to amplify the positive effects of your activity. Don't just collect numbers. Use them to change your daily habits. Scientific walking is about longevity and building a body that stays strong for decades. Consistency is the final ingredient. Use technology to set reminders and challenges that keep you accountable to your personal health goals and future vision. True health is not found in a pill bottle. It is found in every measured step you take. Your journey starts with a single movement. Start tracking, start feeling the difference, and watch as your body transforms. You have the tools. Now you just need the will to begin. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Together, we can conquer the finish line of health and potential. Keep walking, keep measuring, and keep growing. We will see you in the next video as we continue to explore the world of health technology.